Hi guys, this is your naturalist Heterophylla here, and I came up with this idea based on something that's quite popular in the YouTube algorithm. Uh, you know how there's lots of how-to videos, like how to do this, how to do that. Well, I thought it would be a good idea to make similar videos, but showing you how to identify various different plants, birds, whatever. Um, and I thought that that could make a lot of videos from uh, from identifying specific species. And given that there's hundreds of species out there, I thought that you'd find it like a bite-sized lesson in each of the species that lives around here. So in this video, what I thought I would do is, and I do sympathise that not everybody will be interested in grasses, but because this one excited me uh, for a while, because you see, I didn't always know what this particular grass was, but I do now, and it's called various-leaved fescue. So when I went to Montcoffer Wood the other day, I thought it would be a good idea to make a video on this rather peculiar grass. It turns out it's quite a common grass. It's naturalised quite a bit in British woodlands, especially in conifer plantations. So here it is: how to identify various-leaved fescue. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, this is your naturalist Heterophylla again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to identify a grass that you've probably never heard of and that I didn't know very much about until relatively recently, and that is the various-leaved fescue that you can find in woodlands. It's a kind of grass, and it wasn't one that I noticed until relatively recently, so I'm quite excited to show you guys this. So this is the various-leaved fescue. It's actually flowering just now. That's why it looks quite spread out, and it only does so between about June and July. So I guess should count myself lucky, because we don't have very long to go before this stops flowering. Look at that. Yeah, that's fantastic. Some sort of aphid on it, but that's the flowering parts up close. You can see the awns on it, and you can see the anthers, and you can even see a little bit of the flower itself, which looks like a feather, and that's because grasses tend to be wind pollinated. They're not colourful like most other flowers to attract insects. These are pollinated by the wind. So you can see at the base of the grass that it's quite thin leaves. The leaf there, it's wafer thin. That's why I'm having such trouble showing it to you. But if I get the hand lens, what we should see on them is they've got short hairs. It's a little bit difficult to show you because it's so thin, and you can see the nerve on it ever so slightly. I think it's that whitish bit in the middle. But see, very narrow leaves and that nerve.
And that's it from this video. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and also to share if you want more videos like this. Now, I do appreciate that the camera work wasn't the best for this. This was my first how-to video. and it's probably not the most interesting subject that everyone can think of, but I thought let's just do one anyway, just because it's a rather obscure little thing, and I was excited by it, so I thought, why not? Why not do one? But if you have any request species that you'd like me to cover, I'll see if I'll have to see if I can find it first of all, see whether it's realistic in any given situation, and I'll see what I can do about that. But I'll be uploading at least one more. I've got another one that I'm working on that's about the beach fern, also taken in the Montcoffer Wood area. So until then, enjoy yourselves. This is Harris Brooker, your naturalist, signing off.